What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we've got another build for you. This one is a personal favorite of mine. The wheels are incredible, but let's dive into it. This is going to be a 2023 Ram 3500 Limited Longhorn. We sent it up on the Ready Lift 3-inch coil spring lift. Ready Lift has really stepped up their game and has included coil springs in even their leveling kits. I do always recommend with these solid axle trucks that you are going up on a leveling kit that does include new coils. It really creates a nice balance where Ready Lift can valve their new shocks to these coils and make sure that the ride quality is incredible. If you are just going with a spacer, you're not really improving the ride quality, and these trucks are kind of known to skip and deflect off of imperfections in pavement and not really ride great over your expansion joints that you're seeing. I know here in Colorado, our expansion joints can be pretty vicious given the changes in weather and how much those can expand and contract throughout the day. Now let's highlight these wheels. This is KG1 Forge. This is a new company that we've been working with. We absolutely love their looks. These are the 24-inch Vegas in chrome, and 24s really set this wheel and tire combo look off. Absolutely love this look. And the tires are going to be the 37-1350 Toyo Open Country RT Trails. They do have sizing for the 24-inch wheels, so we don't have to search in the lower tier market for tires that are actually going to fit and give us the look that we want. Great high-end tire. Toyo is a household name among all of us car guys and truck guys, so very glad that we don't have to go to a lower tier tire on that. But give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video for a build of your very own. You know where to find us. Click the links below, visit our website, fill out a form. We'll talk to you soon, guys.